Everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty. So I'm in the clearance section here at Walmart and I want to show you guys some awesome new finds. So if you guys are renters, this is a great option for you. It's the peel and stick wallpaper. They have several different options and they're clearancing them out anywhere from $9 up to $21, just depending on how much is in the package. But they have these really cool like faux tiles and they have it like one is more whitewashed than the other. This one is the brown, as you can see. Then they have the chalkboards, the dry erase boards. They also have, sorry guys, I had to let someone walk by. So they also have these really cool, like they're called roommates, and they have like these trees. They have the patterns. They have like the faux brick as well. And then they also have these faux tiles, these peel and stick tiles, if you want to update the kitchen or the bathroom without it being super expensive. They have those marked down to $15 at my store. So these ones I think are the same. And then they have these in my store as well. They also have a bunch of other supplies. They have hooks. The command hooks, only $2. You get 6 of them. That's a really good deal. The general purpose hooks are down to $3. They have premium stripped. So basically what they've done is they've gone over into the paint section. So if your store doesn't clearance things out separately, go over to the paint section, look through, and I guarantee you're going to find a yellow sticker. So premium stripper, paint stripper, so lots of options there. I'm sorry I'm kind of talking fast, but there's a few people in the aisle right now. So they also have the Kills General Purpose Primer, $13. And then as you go down here, they have the pre-pasted paintable wallpaper, $9, and this is a huge roll. So they have textured, they have more like a line, grainy line. This one's more like if you've ever seen the ceilings where they have like that spray paint. $9 here as well. They also have these cool Roommates wall decals, and these are clearancing anywhere between $7 and $5. This cool little heart is $5. They also have Beautiful Love. That one's $7. And look at how pretty. I've contemplated getting this one. I think it's really, really nice. It's down to $7. Oh no, that one is $15. I'm sorry. Then they have this cool tree here as well. They have Goof Off, which we can sometimes find at the Dollar Tree, down to $1.50. But they have like the tape and sticker removal. You know how hard it is for us to get those stickers off everything? So you can get some of that. Super glue and adhesive. They have this multi-purpose cement for $5. Just a bunch of stuff that probably you can find in your paint section. They also have these cool self-adhesive wall mirrors, but they're not really mirrors. They're like a faux mirror. So those are really cool, and those are $7. I want to show you something. This Baby Alive is marked down so cheap. Alright guys, so the Baby Alive Once Upon a Baby was originally $60. It's now down to $15. And these are the two selections we have in our store. My mom found these. She thought they were a really, really good deal. And I have to agree with her. They have a bunch of toys right now. It's the end of the year after Christmas. So, of course, they're going to start getting rid of all of these items. I mentioned this in a previous video. And at the time, there was a ton of people in this aisle. We couldn't really go down this aisle then either. But I've been seeing on Instagram a lot that people are getting a ton of toys here at Walmart on clearance. So you definitely want to get to your Walmart. I'm going to show you the wall behind me. A few items there as well. They have these wave hula hoops for just $1. I mean, we can normally get those at the Dollar Tree anyway, but they're normally here $5.88. So they have a bunch of just random toys. If you guys are not on Instagram, you should be. Follow me at Bargain Beauty Amy, and then go into the search bar and just type in Walmart clearance, and you'll be able to see all the toys that pull up. Guys, before I leave this aisle, I do want to show you my lovely unicorn, 12 volts. It went down from $189 to just $45. This is such a good deal. It's super cute. Here's the UPC. Screenshot it. Sorry guys, I know I couldn't hold it that steady. There's the UPC. Check on Walmart.com, the Walmart.com app, or at brickseek.com and see if your store has these and how much they are. But that's a really, really good deal at $45. I'm over to the actual paint section, and I was right. There's a ton of clearance on polyurethane stain, on different paints, different sizes of paints, different sizes of the stain. So you definitely want to check it out. I actually always stock up on items like this, and I stockpile these type of items as well. because you never know when you're gonna need stuff. They have spray paint, $3. It's only a 96-cent savings right now, but honestly, it's $1 almost that you could spend at the Dollar Tree. And this gray, I mean, so neutral. They also have it in the brown, the black. So definitely, definitely, definitely. Look at this pretty, pretty greenish blue. They have this blue, also marked down. They have this orange color, and this one is $4. It's Rust-Oleum, so it's a little more expensive. The clear, I actually stocked up on this last year when it went down to like $1.50. I have a couple of cans of this because clear coat on everything, right? And then this pretty lime green. Think ahead, guys. Think of, does your outdoor furniture need a sprucing up? Buy a can now, put it aside. But I would definitely check out this section. Look, they have the hammered as well on clearance, $4.50 from $5.68. So I would love to go over all of the clearance that they have for winter items. I want you to definitely go check it out because everything for winter is now clearancing out. These cute pajamas are now $5. I'm over in the junior and women's section, but they have everything from sweaters to pajamas, sweatshirts, jeans, so many different options. You're gonna see a ton of these yellow balloons everywhere. So make sure to check it out. I've gotta go. Thank you so much for watching. See, I always find something before I wanna close off. $4.92 down to $1. Long sleeve tees, guys, just $1 over in the women's section. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.